beautiful people, welcome back to Hair Tutorial by Jace. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and on this channel I share easy natural hairstyle tutorials for babies, toddlers, little girls, and now something exciting that I'll tell you about in just a minute. If you're a mom looking for a cute hairstyle that don't take forever to do, or you are someone who is still learning how to braid, then you are definitely in the right place. Today's hairstyle is simple, protective, and absolutely adorable. It's perfect for school, daycare, church, birthday, or just everyday wear. Even if you're a complete beginner, I will walk you through everything I do. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell because I upload new video every week. Now, before we jump into today's hairstyle, I have something really exciting to share with you all. So if you've been following me for a while now, you will probably know that my channel has mainly focused on hairstyle for babies, toddlers, and little girls. And don't worry, that isn't changing because I absolutely love creating those videos for you. But recently, I have been thinking about something. I spend so much time doing everyone else's hair, yet I have never really taken the time to learn how to properly take care of my own hair. So I have decided to change that. I am officially starting a brand new journey where I will be learning how to style my own natural hair from scratch. And I want to bring all of you along with me. You will see me trying different hairstyles, learning new techniques, testing products, figuring out what works and what doesn't. And yes, probably making a few mistakes along the way. I am not coming on here pretending to know everything because I don't. I am just like so many of you. And I think that's what makes this journey exciting. If you've ever looked at your own natural hair and thought, where do I even begin? Then trust me, we are in the same boat. We are going to learn together. So you can expect lots of natural hair tutorials, styling experiments, product review, wash days, protective styles, and honest update on my progress. I really hope you will join me on this journey because I think it's going to be so much fun. Now let's get into today's hairstyle. The first thing I've already done is wash and moisturize her hair. I always recommend starting on a clean hair whenever possible because it makes the styling so much easier. Natural hair loves moisture. Dry hair is much more likely to break, tangle, and become difficult to manage. I always apply my leave-in conditioner followed by a little coconut oil to seal in the moisture. Sometimes I add shea butter as well. As someone who is just learning how to braid, I always start by dividing her hair into sections. These sections don't need to be perfect because they are just there to guide you. One thing I have learned is that taking a little time to section her hair actually saves you so much time later. When all the hair is mixed up together, it's really easy to get frustrated. Working in sections makes everything much more manageable. So for this hairstyle, I have divided the hair into 4 sections. Now starting the braiding at the back. So I'm gonna braid all the cornrows towards the back. I am trying to make the parts not that small because my daughter is not gonna sit for that long. So I am making them a little bit on the medium side. Okay, so choose however you want it and do it to your preference. Okay, so I have a detailed video on how to braid cornrow, so make sure you watch that video if you do not know how to make cornrows. So I'm gonna braid with some braiding gel or hair wax. So the more you practice braiding, the more better you become. If your pattern aren't that straight, don't stress yourself. The more you do, the better you become. Now, as I'm braiding, I careful not to pull too tight. A protective style should protect the hair, not hurt your child. If your little one starts getting uncomfortable, don't be afraid to take a short break. Hair time should be a positive experience. Now my favorite part, the beads. I love how beads instantly make a hairstyle look even cuter. Today I am using clear beads because they match almost every outfit. You can always switch them out depending on your child's favorite color. Beads also make hairstyle more fun for little ones. So I will keep on braiding the back towards downward, okay? Just like I am doing here. So this hair might take a little bit longer than what you're usually used to, okay? So make sure you take breaks when needed. For us, we took some break and then had our lunch and then we continued. So do whatever works for you, okay? Once I'm done braiding the back, I will move to the two sections upward. I'm gonna braid all of them towards the back. They are all going to be cornrows, okay? So I will braid all of them towards the back, just like I did on the first section. Now on the last part, the front, we're gonna braid everything towards the left side. And here is our finished hairstyle. I absolutely love how neat, simple and protective it turned out. At night, you can use a satin bonnet or satin pillowcase to help reduce frizz. If the hair starts feeling dry, simply spray a little water mixed with leave-in conditioner to refresh it. If you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. I'd love to know, would you like to see more beginner friendly hairstyle like this one? Leave me a comment below and let me know what hairstyle you would like to see next. And don't forget about my new natural hair journey. I'm honestly so excited to share it with you all. Whether you are just starting your natural hair journey or you've been natural for years, I hope we can learn from each other and have fun along the way. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Take care